Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. Joey's here. He's got his original t-shirt on. I've got my favorite movie t-shirt on. So my name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator. I make videos for people new to reselling. Not just eBay, it could be any platform. I have how-to videos linked down below, how to source, how to list, how to ship, how to determine your platform. How to ship is really popular. So welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And then I encourage people to ask questions and put questions down in the comments. You can also email me. My email is down below. Or you could go to MidwestPicker.com and it links to everything I do. Instagram, email, all of that stuff. So this is a quick unboxing video. So a quick backstory. I participate in YouTube auctions, sometimes as a seller, sometimes as a buyer. Well, if you don't know Mr. Buysalot, his name's Brian Davis. He lives in Allentown, Pennsylvania. He has YouTube auctions currently Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 p.m. to about 5 p.m. Now, those dates and times can change based on the weather and his availability, but that's what he's currently doing. So last week, I work from home. So last week, I'm on my work laptop, I got my personal laptop, I got my music playing, I'm multitasking, and I like to watch Mr. Buysalot's auctions, and occasionally I'll bid, and every once in a while I'll win. Well, I'm working, so I'm getting up and eating lunch and coming back, and going out in the kitchen and coming back, and he has like a tray of items. It could be comic books, it could be ephemera, it could be vintage collectibles. Well, he had a tray of stuff, and I walked away, so I missed it when he was showing what each item was and explaining it. When I came back to my home office, he showed the last item, and it was like an army tank rangefinder. Really cool, has dials, it has a bubble level on it, probably 1960s. It was really neat, and I liked it, so I started throwing bids in there, but then I realized all the other stuff he had in that lot, I had no idea what it was. So it's kind of a mystery, so I bid anyways, and I won for $60. And it's right here behind me, so I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to unbox this together. It's basically a mystery unboxing because, frankly, I don't remember what I won. So let's go over here and open it up. All right, I hope this angle works okay, and I hope you can hear me okay. So here we go. We'll open this together. This is kind of fun, getting a mystery box from Mr. Buysalot. All right. Lots of peanuts. All right. Lots of void fill. I don't think there's anything in there. All right. Well, there's something in here. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is a replacement piece of glass for touch lamps. So back in the 70s, 80s, there was touch lamps that had these little glass pieces all around it. Different themes. This is a Native American one. So this is a replacement piece if it gets broken. Or you could just replace them and change the theme of your lamp. So that's one item that was in the lot that I didn't even know I had. Oh. All right, this is wow, this is a photo album of old pictures. I love old pictures. There's Washington, D.C. See that? See if there's a glare on there or not. Oh, this is really cool. See, I didn't even know this was in here. Very nice. Look at that. I should have paid more attention to what I was bidding on. This is really cool. All Washington, D.C., Capitol Building. And yeah, and a nice album. I'll have to do some research on that. This is a plate. Noritake Prima stone. I don't know if you can see that or not. Lighting's not good. Sorry about that, but maybe you can get that on there. It's a little saucer. It's even got a sticker on it. I'll have to research that too. Oh, let's see. Empire horsehair shoe brush. He does a fantastic job of packaging this stuff up. All right, I think I remember seeing this. This is a vintage chopper. It's got a wooden knob on there. You put onions or whatever in here, and then you go and you chop it up. Very collectible, mid-century modern, pretty cool. Definitely be selling that. Oh, this is huge. I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is some plates. Some bowls. Whoops. Some plates. Or some bowls, I mean. Brand new. You can see that on there. Maybe my sister can help me do the comps on these. But 1, 2, 3, 4 brand new bowls. And it looks like this is the last item. Nice box. Alright. So there we are. There's the rangefinder. It says quadrant fire control. Serial number. No idea what this is. Some big, huge gauge, but that's what it says there. Maybe it's not an army tank rangefinder. I don't know. But what's cool is it has the numbers on it. It has the serial number on it, and then stamped into it is the model number. And it's got these dials here. And then somehow this moves. And then it's got bubble level there. So I'm going to have to do some research on this. I really don't know what it is. Quadrant fire control. Yeah, I have no idea. It looks pretty old though, so it's pretty awesome. I'm going to research this baby. I'll let you guys know too if I figure out what this is and what it's worth. It's very heavy. It's commercial grade for sure. All right, yeah, this says M13A3. So if any veterans are in there, if you think this is part of a tank, just let me know. It says fire control M13A3. I have no idea what this is, but it's always fun to research this stuff. So that's the unboxing video, guys. If you saw anything and you know what it is, if you want to help me out, tell me what it is down below or what the reasonable value is. That would be sweet. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you saw anything I unboxed that you're interested in buying, just reach out to me through Instagram or my email. I'm happy to sell things off platform. It takes me several weeks to list this stuff online to sell it. So if you saw anything, send me an offer. I'd be happy to sell it to you. Again, hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. And if you think anybody would find this interesting, or you know anybody that knows what this is or might want to buy it, you can hit the share button, send this video to them. Any last words? Joey has no last words. He's happy to have his old t-shirt back though, I can tell you that. So Enoch, Joey, me, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.